Good morning, everyone!
How are you?
Today, we will be learning a new song. Are you ready?
Sing along with us.
A star, can you make a star? A star, can you make a star?
A star.
A square, can you make a square? A square, can you make a square?
A square.
A circle, can you make a circle? A circle, can you make a circle?
A circle.
A triangle, can you make a triangle? A triangle, can you make a triangle?
A triangle.
A star, a square, a circle and a triangle. A star, a square, a circle and a triangle. Thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoy.
Goodbye.